March 4th. Finally getting over into this property to clean up some of this blowdown. Been working on the machine pretty steady for a week and a half trying to get her ready, and it seems to be working all right now. Did a full service on it. He bought that head for that machine back in deer season, and it's just finally going to work now. It was a bunch of troubleshooting different things, just getting it to work on the machine, getting all the little bugs worked out of it. Logmax 7000 processor head. It's a 2003 model, and the machine's a John Deere 753G 2005 model year. When he bought the machine, it had just a dangle. It wasn't a processor head, it was just a bar saw. So this will be a lot nicer. It can either work in the bush cutting or it can work on the landing processing stuff too. So that'll be nice. Up to this point, it's been chainsaw and cable skidder. She's warm out today. El Dorado, north of Madoc, 16 degrees. T-shirt weather. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's not going too bad. I'm not caring about the brushes much anymore.
I know, I saw you pull the head up and I was like, oh, is he gonna?
My bar's not long enough to do it. I can probably do it if I got around all sides of it. Should go that way.
I'll get your chain back on for you. Yeah, no problem. That's all I'm good for, eh? Videotaping and putting chains back on. think he came home here and flagged that around the end of that wet hole.
Where's the flag then?
I'll show you. It's on the trail on the way out.
Okay.
I saw it. He's... You are 12.
Yep.
Is that a squirrel's nest on that, or was someone just going hard at the raking?
Somebody was probably just going hard, I'd imagine.
Yeah, that's textbook right there.
Pretty well.
Knock that other one down too, that's good. Got the service truck all loaded up here, ready to head into the harvester. Apparently he blew a hose on the Logmax yesterday. Got lots of goodies here. Head into the bush. Put some hydraulic oil in there. It's got this fancy hose and pump. The handle was busted off of this pump lever. So I got a trailer jack handle and some rebar and got her fixed right up. Seems like quite a system to put hydraulic oil in a tank. That's her. Logger approved. All right, got that hose changed, got her all buttoned back up. See what she's gonna do now. The hydraulic oil leak appears to be fixed. Ryan's walking her out. Just finished tidying up this last little corner. That was the last of this job. Everything that it entailed for the Logmax. That looks a heck of a lot better.